Good day everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to make the best fluffy and delicious pancake. So if you are interested in this, please stay tuned. So for this recipe, we're going to be needing 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 200 ml of milk or 1 cup of milk. Then we have 1.5 cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and also our vanilla flavor. So the first thing we are going to do is to crack in the eggs in the bowl and mix very well before adding our sugar. You can either use your whisk to do this or you use a fork for this. Next is to add in the sugar. We are using 3 tablespoons of sugar. Next is to add the milk. Then 1 cup of vanilla flavor or 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. After properly mixing that, we add in the dry ingredients, which is the flour and the baking powder, and combine. You can add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt or a pinch of salt if you want. So when you're done combining, you should have something like this. The consistency should just be like a cake batter. It shouldn't be too thin, because when it's too thin, it will spread out in the pan and it wouldn't give you a good shape. In a non-stick pan, add little quantity of oil and spread before adding the batter. And you will not need to add another oil again before you exhaust your batter. So using a spoon or a measuring cup, you gently pour in the batter. Make sure to put the same quantity always so you can get the same size of pancake. So when you see that the bubbles on the surface start popping, you can flip over so the other side can cook until golden brown. Once both sides are properly cooked and is golden brown, you can transfer the pancakes to a serving plate. You repeat the same process for the remaining batter until you've exhausted it. And just like that, you've just made yourself delicious and fluffy pancakes. So easy to make. And of course, you can serve with honey, chocolate spread, jam, or even powdered sugar. Don't forget to like this video and also support my channel by subscribing to it. You can also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.